Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover topic number 3.3 and 3.3.1 algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation using substitution method. We will cover exercise 3.1 after completing the substitution method because then it will be easy to find the intersecting point, or we can say the common points between two linear equations. To solve the linear equation, that is the pair of linear equation, line L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and line L2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. We have seen one method, that is graphical method. In this lecture we are going to see the substitution method. And in next upcoming lectures we will be seeing the elimination method to solve the pair of linear equation to find the solution, that is x equals to something and y equals to something. Today let us see the substitution method of solution of pair of linear equation. If we are given with the linear equation, let us take for example 3x plus 4y upon 7 minus 3, let us take 31 equals to 0. If we want to subject x, then what we will do is send all the terms except x on the other side, that is minus 31 to plus 31 plus 4y by 7 to minus 4y upon 7. Now we have to make subject only x, so we will send 3 to denominator, that is 1 by 3 in bracket 31 minus 4y upon 7. Now more simplified, we can write 31 upon 3 minus 4y upon 3 into 7, or we can write 21. Now if you want to subject y in this equation, then what we will do is send all the terms except y to the other side, that is 4y upon 7 equals to 31 minus 3x. Now make subject the y and send all the coefficients to other side, that is 31 minus 3x as it is in bracket, then 7 will go into numerator and 4 will come into denominator. We have seen how to make the subject only x and only y. Now let us start the substitution method. We will see example 4 in detail, that is solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. The equations given are 7x minus 15y equals to 2 and x plus 2y equals to 3. The steps to solve the equation will be, we will be always given with two linear equations. Step 1 will be subject one variable, either x or y, from one of the two given equations, that is, we will subject x or y from any of the two of the given equation, that is equation 1 and equation 2. In next step, put the value of subjected variable in other equation. In this example, we are given with the two equation, that is 7x minus 15y equals to 2, and the other equation, that is x plus 2y equals to 3. Now let us subject y from the equation 1. What we will do is send all the variables to the other side except y, that is 2 minus 7x. Now y equals to 2 minus 7x minus 1 divided by 15, that is equals to minus 2 upon 15 plus 7x upon 15. So put the value in the other equation, that is x plus 2 into value of y is minus 2 upon 15 plus 7x upon 15, that is equals to 3. Now simplify the equation, that is x plus 2 to the 4, will get minus 4 upon 15 plus into minus is minus, 2 to the 4 divided by 15, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 7 is 14, x divided by 15 equals to 3. Now send the constant term to other side and put the variable terms on the one side, that is x plus 14x upon 15 equals to 3. 4 by 15 will go to other side, it will become plus 4 upon 15. Now take the LCM, that is 15x plus 14x equals to, take 15 LCM on the other side also, 15 3s are 45 plus 4. Now 15 will get cancelled, that is equals to 15 plus 14 is 29x equals to 45 plus 4 is 49. We have got the value of x, that is equals to 49 upon 29. Now put the value of x in the first equation from which we have made the subject y, or we can put value of x in any of the given equation. Let us put in this equation, that is y equals to minus 2 upon 15 plus 7, value of x is 49 upon 29 into 15. That is equals to 29 into 15 will be LCM, that is equals to 29 into 2 is 58 plus 7 into 49, that is equals to 343. After simplifying, we will get y equals to 343 minus 58, that is equals to 285 divided by 29 into 15. Now if we divide, that is equals to 19 upon 29. So we have got the value of y equals to 19 upon 29 and the value of x that is equals to 49 upon 29. If we want to verify that the answers, that is value of y and x, is correct or not, we can put the value of x and y in this equation, and the value of left hand side must be equals to 2, and we can also put value of x and y and the value of equation must be equals to 3. Let us put in any one of the equation, that is 7x minus 15y equals to 2. 7x plus 15y that is equals to 2. Let us solve for left hand side, that is 7. X is 49 upon 29 plus 15. Y is 19 upon 29, that is equals to, take 29 as LCM, 7 into 49 is equals to 343 plus 15 into 19 equals to 285, that is equals to, we have minus here, that will be minus, and here also it will be minus, that is equals to, it will be equals to 58 upon 29. 29 into 2 is 58, so we have got the left hand side equals to 2 and we have right hand side also equals to 2. So hence we have verified for one equation. We can also put the value of x and y in other equation and we will get the answer as 3. In theory, algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation, we have seen the graphical method, but the graphical method is not convenient for the coordinates such as irrational number or the numbers that is in the form of fraction or negative decimals, and it is also not feasible if we have got the equation such as 39x upon 49 plus 7y upon 9 plus 31 equals to root 3. If we have got the equation like this, then graphical method is not suitable, because to find the intersecting point of two lines we need the common point that is difficult to plot by the hands. If we plot the value, we cannot get the proper value, that is root 3, or the proper decimal value using the graphical method. So the graphical method is not suitable for the points such as decimal, fraction or the irrational numbers. So we have the substitution method that solves this problem. We have seen this example. They have taken the second equation, make subject as x, and then the value of x is put in the other equation, that is 7x. X is equal to 3 minus 2y minus 15y equals to 2. They have solved for y, and then using any of the equation they have taken the second equation. They have put the value of y, that is 19 upon 29, and they have got the value of x, that is 49 upon 29. Then they have verified by putting the value of x and y. We can also verify in any of the equation that this value we have got is correct or not. In next lecture we will solve example 5. Thank you.